Your robberies
Ms.
are
Bondi,
87% higher than the national average.
My question is this.
That's what I want to be focused on, Senator.
This is from Town Hall. Just yesterday, Pam Bondi confirmed as Attorney General, 54 yeas, 46 nays. And, you know, we haven't talked much about Pam Bondi. She was the one that replaced Matt Gaetz after he stepped away. But the girl, the lady, she's just an absolute, like, it's very much what I've described with the Pete Hegseth thing. It's someone who's not only qualified, but just knows how to do it on television and communicate the ideas properly. Here she is going off on Adam Schiff.
Has called for it publicly. You are aware of that, aren't you?
No one has asked me to investigate.
But the president
Liz,
has
we're
called,
also worried about Liz Cheney,
the
Senator.
president has
you know
called
what we
for
should
this.
be worried about?
Ms. Bondi,
the
please
crime rate
answer
in
my
California
questions.
right now
You are
is
aware,
through the roof.
Ms. Bondi,
Your robberies are 87% higher than the national average.
My question is this.
That's what I want to be focused on, Senator.
Do you have the power to say no to the president?
General.
And what you're suggesting today by your non-answer is you don't have the independence to say no to the president. So let me ask you a different question. It also requires you, if you're going to be a good attorney general, to be able to tell hard truths to the president. So my questions now are, can you tell hard truths to the president? So let me start with an easy truth that you could speak to the president. Can you tell us, can you tell him that Donald Trump lost the 2020 election? Can you say that? Do you have the independence to say that? Do you have the gravitas, the stature, the intestinal fortitude to say, Donald Trump, you lost the 2020 election? Can you tell us that here today?
Senator, what I can tell you is I will never play politics. You're trying to engage me in a gotcha. I won't do it. I won't play politics with any ongoing investigation,
so let me ask you another,
like you did leaking your colleague Devin Nunes's memo.
If you'd be able to review hundreds of cases on day one?
I will look at every file I am asked to look at.
Of course you won't. So will you advise the president?
Can I answer the question?
Well, my question is,
I would have plenty of staff. You said, of course you want.
You'll be able to review hundreds of cases on the first day?
I'm not going to mislead this body, nor you.
All right, let me ask another question. You don't want to answer that. Let me ask another question.
You were censured by Congress, Senator, for comments just like this that are so reckless.
Piece of Schiff. Look, every part of that is just endlessly absurd. The Attorney General is basically the country's top lawyer, in essence. You want to make sure that the states are operating within the boundaries of the law. I love the fact that she's like, 87% crime rise, your place, Cali, what are you doing about that, right? You're a congressman from Cali, shouldn't you be interested in that? And of course they want to do the election thing. It's nonsense. There's just no reason to believe she wouldn't act within the confines of the law, or if she felt, I mean, it's literally your duty as Attorney General. If you feel that the President of the United States, via executive action or some other means, is going to do something that is illegal, not within the confines of the law, it's your job as the Attorney General to tell them about that. So it's just gotcha bullshit. And of course, this is Schiff, like this guy who was in charge of the Russia hoax. I mean, he basically was in charge of the Russia hoax. She talks about the leaked memo to Nunes. You get it.